Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how to make these creepy skulls for your Halloween charcuterie boards. These are only 2 ingredients and they're super quick and easy to make, and they are very tasty despite how gross they may look. You'll need some sort of skull-shaped pan or mold. Mine is made of silicone, but a sturdier version will work as well. First, spray your pan with some cooking spray, and don't skip this step, it will make it way easier for you to demold later. Next, take a few strips of prosciutto and lay them overlapping inside the mold so that the skull shape is completely covered with no visible gaps. I haven't tried this with any other meat, but I don't think you'd get great results. Prosciutto is cut extremely thin, which allows it to really take the shape of all the details in the skull mold. And I think other types of meat wouldn't be quite flexible enough, so I would just add in some other meats somewhere else on the cheese board and stick to prosciutto for this part. Next, you'll need some sort of soft spreadable cheese. I'm using Boursin, but use whatever you like. And then you really want to press your cheese down firmly into the mold. This will make sure you get into all the nooks and crannies of the skull, and all of those details will be visible when you're done. Then you want to fold over the edges of the prosciutto and smooth them out as best you can. Finally, you can cover them with some plastic wrap and stick them in the fridge to set. I only had mine in for about 30 minutes, so it doesn't need a super long time, but this will help to really set in those details of the skull shape. Once they're set, you can pull them out of the fridge and flip your pan over onto a cutting board to very carefully demold the skulls. If you're using silicone, just be careful not to shove a finger too hard into it and ruin the skull shape. This is where the cooking spray will really help you out. If you used a sturdier pan, you can give it a careful whack on the counter to help release the skulls. And that's it! Then you can set them out on your party platter with some crackers, other meats and cheese, pickles and olives, whatever you like. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you enjoyed my content, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what sort of videos you'd like to see in the future. See you later!